Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about Vernier calipers experiment. What is the use of the Vernier calipers? That is our aim only. We can find out the volume of the given cylinder and we can find out the volume of the sphere or any body, small bodies, length, diameter, thickness also we can find it. Here about this instrument, look here, the first thing is it is having the two scales. See that this rectangular strip is there, no? Here this is calibrated into 1 centimeter. First one is the 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. It is calibrated into centimeters. Here one scale, small thing is there, no? Here 10 divisions are there. This is the vernier scale and this is the main scale. Here one strip we can observe this one. This is used to measure the depth of the any body, like this. Inner, with the help of this screw we can adjust this one. See, like that we can find out the depth of this one. See, like that knife it is coming, we can set inside and we can find out the depth. Here these two are the inner jaws. Okay, now we are not using these two jaws, but where we can find out the inner diameter. Look, this one pen cap is there. See, like that we can set. We can find out the inner diameter of this one. Then these two jaws are there. With the help of this we can find out the outer diameter. Look here only. Like this we can find out the outer diameter. Come to our experiment. We know about the MSR means main scale reading. These small divisions are there. This is the vernier scale. These two jaws we are using to find out the diameter of the cylinder and diameter of the bob or sphere. Least count is 1 main scale division by number of divisions of vernier scale. 1 main scale is how much? 1 millimeter. Don't confuse. This rectangular strip is calibrated into centimeters. Then top one is inches. Don't confuse. We can consider down one only. So each division is 1 millimeter divided by number of divisions. See, these small divisions are there. No? These are the number of divisions. How many are there? 10 are there. This is the number of divisions on vernier scale. So the least count of vernier calipers is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeters. Then come to this table. Our first thing is we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. Where is the cylinder? Not our gas cylinder. We are taking one cylindrical shape body. So what is the formula for volume? V equals to pi r square L. Pi is the constant 3.14. R is the radius of this cylinder. How to find out the radius? When we should find out the diameter. Look this table. First we can find out the diameter. Half of the diameter is giving the radius. Then come to this experiment. Here this is the length of the cylinder and this is the diameter of the cylinder. With the help of these two parameters we can find out the volume of the cylinder. See this tabular form. First one is the serial number. This is the main scale reading. This is the vernier coincidence fraction total reading. See, first one is serial number. We are going through the 5 readings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 readings. Main scale reading. How to take the main scale reading? That too, our side heading is diameter of the bob. See how I am arranging. Like this we can find out the diameter. This is one position and look here. Look here. What is the main scale reading? First of all I want to say that error here. In this case error equals to 0. There is no error. Why? This index line and 0 both are coincide. For this vernier calipers error is 0. Now we should insert and we can find out the diameter of this one different positions. Look where this is coincide. See, first division on vernier scale and where it is coincide, that is the diameter of this one. Here it is coinciding at 1.3, 1.2. Look here. This is where it is coincide 1.2. So main scale reading is 1.2. Then what is the vernier coincidence? See, this is the main scale. Here 10 divisions are there, no? This is the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we are going through the, suppose these are like this. But here fifth line you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we without parallax error we can look this one. It is looking like a single lane, that is called the Vernier coincidence. Generally we are getting between 0 to 9. Here it is showing 2, I am taking 2. Now fraction n into LC. Least count already you know that 0.01 centimeters. Here we are getting 0.02. 2 into 0.01 is the 0.02 centimeters. Then we should add these two. 1.22. Then how to take the next reading? We have to take the position of, change the position of this one. Once again we can measure that main scale reading is how much and Vernier coincidence is how much. Here also no change in that main scale division 1.2. Vernier coincidence is, here it is showing 0.01. This is 1.21. Now change this position. See, first I took here, then I am taking this one, then I am taking this one, like the different positions. We should repeat this same experiment at different positions. Here also 1.2, this is 3, 0.03, 1.23. The next one is 1.2, no change in the main scale reading. We do this experiment and we can get like this. Then this is 1.2, 6, 0.06, 1.26. Total how many we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can take the average of this one. See, 1.22 plus 1.21 plus 1.23 plus 1.24 plus 1.26. Sum of the quantities by number of quantities. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After simplification, we can get the diameter of this one. Something we are getting related to 1.24 like that. We should do the calculations. We can use with our hand only. Don't use the calculators, because for calculations also 3 marks are there. Then we can go through the diameter, half of this one. So 1.24 by 2 means we are getting 0.62 centimeters. Now we know the radius of the radius of the cylinder. Then how to find out the length? Same procedure, but we should find out the length like this. This is our first position. Same main scale reading it is showing here. This is 2.5 centimeters. Vernier coincidence is 4, 0.04, 2.54. Next thing also we have to change this position like this. Find out the length. No change in main scale reading. 2.5, 3, 0.03, 2.53. Most of the people are taking that Vernier coincidence only. They are confusing. No problem. 0 to 1 to 9 we can take any little bit, but we can see that without parallax error. 2.5 to 0.02, 2.52. Then this is 2.5, 1, 0.01, 2.5. 2.5. This is like 7, 0.01. Multiplying with this one, you are getting 7, 2.57. Then we should add all these 2.54, 2.53. After that, approximately, you people don't take the approximately. You should add all these and the division of this one. Suppose this is 2.54 divided by how many readings? 5. So this is 0.1, 2, 3, 4. Approximately we are getting, after adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after simplification we are getting approximately this is 2.54 centimeters. So this is the length. Here also diameter is 1.24 we got it. After that we got the radius. Now we know the length of the cylinder. See, this is the length of the cylinder at first position, at second position, at third position we can change it. So after finding the radius and length, how to find out the volume of the cylinder V equals to 3.14 into length is 2.54 into radius is 0.62. After simplification, we don't use the calculator, they are giving sufficient time. 3.14 into 2.54 into 0.62. We are getting that value is 4.94 centimeter cube. For writing the unit 1 mark, and for writing this volume we are getting 1 mark. We are writing precautions 2 marks, calculations 3 marks. So the main thing is record is for 4 marks, viva voce is 5 marks, like what is least count, what is the formula of volume of the cylinder, what is the formula of volume of the sphere, and all these we should find out. Not only this one, with the help of this we can find out the volume of the sphere also. Either they can give cylinder shaped body, or they are giving like spherical shaped body. See, this is the spherical shaped body. How to find out this one? Same process we should continue to find out this one. One more question from this experiment, that is to find out the volume of the given sphere. We are taking a bob here. Same experiment it is used for simple pendulum also. See, in this no change in that least count, 0.01 centimeters. First we should find out diameter of sphere. Same serial number. We are taking 5 readings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Main scale reading. Then Vernier coincidence, fraction, n into LC, least count. Then total reading. This is we are representing with A, and this is the B. Total is nothing but A plus B. Then how to do this experiment? Look. See, why this one 0 error? Here first line of this Vernier coincidence and first line of this main scale both are coincide. That's why this error is 0. Look here. Both are coincide. See. Now how to find out the main scale reading? With the help of these two jars we can find out the, first we can insert here like this position you see. Then we can go through the what is the main scale reading and what is the Vernier scale reading. Here the main scale reading is without parallax error. We have to see that here it is showing 1.9 centimeters. Here it is showing 1.9 centimeters. Look, it is showing 1.9 centimeters. So main scale reading is 1.9, 1.9, 1.9, 1.9, 1.9. Vernier coincidence is 2, 3 between 1 to 9, which is looking like same line. So 4, 5, like 1. This is 1.0 multiply with least count. 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.01. After adding this 1.92, 1.93, 1.94, 1.95, 1.91. Then how to find out the diameter of this one? 1.92 plus add all this divided by 5. See, I have done calculations. Diameter equals to sum of the quantities by number of quantities. We are getting 1.93 is the diameter of this one. Then we can go through the radius. Half of the diameter is called the radius, 0.97 centimeters. But volume of the sphere formula is 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 into 3.14 into here radius is 0.97 whole cube. After simplification, volume of the given sphere is 3.36 centimeter cube. So like that, the aim of this experiment is to find out either they will ask volume of the cylinder. Formula is pi r square L. We should find out at that time radius and length. That's why two tabular forms are there. So read that question properly. Sometimes they can ask only find the volume of this sphere, means we can write the aim, apparatus, then formula, then you can go through the one tabular form. Finally, you can find out the volume of this one. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.